it's Kelly,
Sally,
and this week's theme on
KMS
is Leftover. So, we are doing this.
If you remember the slime that we made.
With the kits that we failed, we actually finished, we actually made slime with it after the video. With this Tide. We just put some Tide in and it just became slime. So we are not gonna show you this slime, but
sadly we are going to make
OOBLECK. So we have these leftover cornstarch from our kit,
and we also have these bowls from the last
video.
If you remember.
And we rinsed it out. The lid's kind of dirty, but
yeah.
I have this thing. You know. Okay,
Anyway.
that has nothing to do with it right now. And if you don't know what OOBLECK is made with cornstarch and water. It's really easy to make. You should really make it at home too. And it's a liquid and a solid at the same time.
So if you put really power on it, then it's
solid.
It's solid. But then when you just leave it goes back to being liquid.
So yeah, we will show you how to make it. So we will put some cornstarch in here. Maybe. Don't know. We never actually. Yeah, this is our first time making OOBLECK, but we actually played with them, but we never actually made them at home. So we.
Oh, jeez, you're getting all over you.
Okay, so we
have cornstarch.
A little bit of cornstarch first, and now we have to put some water in. So let's get some water.
Yeah.
It's stirring. So can you hit it?
It's solid.
And then go slow with it.
Go slow. It's liquid.
See that?
Awesome. It's not very sticky. If you go in with your hands, it's not sticky, but water sticks onto you.
Yeah, water sticks onto you, but cornstarch doesn't. We put too much water in.
So I'm gonna put some cornstarch.
Can you put more? A lot. Okay, that's good. I'm really impatient about this.
And I am very patient.
Oh my gosh, this is awesome.
Whoa.
This is awesome.
Yeah, this is awesome. This is turning out very good so far.
It's a solid and a liquid. So you have to go slow with it when you're stirring.
So
Okay,
far,
so that's it actually. That's actually how you make it.
yeah, so far so good.
And then
Wow, there's nothing. Whoa.
so you have to go fast with it. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, it's cornstarch!
I'm gonna
But can you believe that? It's only cornstarch and water.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, do you want to dump it on the table?
I don't think we could get it off though. Okay, we could get some on the table.
Yeah.
Whoop, whoop. There it goes.
Oh, it comes off easily.
It comes off really easily.
So
okay.
let's pour this.
Okay, we put some sorry. So this is OOBLECK.
Do you want to pour the whole thing? Since it
It looks like milk.
Do you want to put it like the whole thing?
Looks like milk. I don't think we could put the whole thing. Our parents will get mad.
Well, we can clean
Look
it up.
how it like turns into liquid so fast.
Whoa.
I'll go slow with it.
This is amazing.
Don't know how this happens. It's just awesome.
It's incredible. Wow. decided to pour this all on the table. So, let's go.
It's kind of drying already.
Show them the camera.
Okay, if it's kind of drying, you could put some more water in.
Awesome. Sally is awesome.
No, it's not. Kelly's awesome.
Both of us are awesome. Ah. Excuse me.
This is awesome. Really, really awesome.
So
It's like I'm playing with slime right now. It wouldn't poke.
the thing is, I'm gonna put it too. Yeah. So come on, down
to the camera. Woo. Can you play with it, please? The camera's going.
Yeah.
So poke it.
It's not poking.
Go slow with it. Liquid.
Whoa.
Looks like milk.
Yeah, it looks like a milk spilled all over.
Oh my gosh. I put OOBLECK in my hand and
This is what happens.
okay, when you keep on going,
Excuse me.
sorry, the camera's too small. Well, it's big, but still. Okay, when I go fast like this, it's solid.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, if you go fast with it, it's really solid.
Excuse
When you, okay, can I please show the camera? Okay. When you go fast with it, it's solid.
Oh my gosh,
It does not stretch.
It's so hard.
sinking. Okay, it's hard now. I think we should put more water in it. Okay. Actually, we're gonna end the video. Okay. Thank you for watching.
And comment down below, who do you think did a better job of cleaning up or
Whatever.
being messy?
Yeah. Okay, look at my hands. Seriously.
And look at my hands.
Oh my gosh, I think you. Okay. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.